Hi everyone, if you are new to Pinterest and want to learn why it's essential for your business, then make sure you watch this entire video. So I've been using Pinterest for probably from around 2017 or 18, and I've been working professionally as a Pinterest manager from 2020. It's almost 2 years now. And why I love Pinterest is because it's a creative platform, and for a creative bloggers or for a creative entrepreneurs, it's such a perfect match. And it will not just help you to promote your products and services in a very unique way, but it will also help you to plan your projects, your dream projects, and find tons of inspirations. I'm assuming that you are here. Maybe you have also heard it can help you to grow traffics, it can help you to promote your services, it can grow your reach on your site. So in this video, I'm gonna show you some of the facts, amazing facts about Pinterest, so that it will help you to plan logically and think before initiating this marketing platform on your business. Now let's get started with what is Pinterest. So as you guys might be wondering, it's just any other social media platform like TikTok, Instagram. So it is not. Let me clear this, it is not. Pinterest is basically a creative hub for a creative people. Especially on Pinterest, people come here to search for the tons of inspirations to turn their dreams into a reality. For example, maybe vegan recipe ideas, home projects, graphic designing ideas. You can find everything that you want on Pinterest. And people can save those inspirations on their private board, which is similar like a folder of your computer. So they can keep that hub private and they can keep it to turn their dreams into a reality. So you can think of Pinterest like a library, whereas on the other hand, Instagram can think of like a club where people go to chat, find new people, interact, whereas Pinterest is for the people to feel empowered, to feel positive, maybe who are introverts. So Pinterest is basically like a library where you can feel empowered, gain tons of knowledge, find tons of ideas, and keep it privately. Now let's move on to some of the facts that can help you to think logically and help you to make a decision if this is a right fit for your business or not. By the way guys, I'm also on Instagram. You can follow me here at @Pontaa if you are interested in the subjects like this, marketing, and if you want to get into the BTS of how I do my things, and as well as it will help me to connect with my community very easily. Now let's move on to number 1 fact. Pinterest is a social media platform, a search engine, at the same time a shop. Why it's called a social media platform is because you can promote your services, your products, you can post your own contents. So let me give you an example. So you are a food blogger, right? You are a recipe developer. You will create a recipe, for instance, vegan recipe ideas, right? So you can, create a recipe in your phone and you can simply promote it on Pinterest, where millions of people are going to find your contents, and that's how you are going to grow your following on Pinterest. Now let's move on to why Pinterest is called a search engine platform. Why it's not just a social media platforms like any other platforms. For example, I really want to learn about how to cook vegan fried rice, right? So I'm gonna go to Pinterest and I'm gonna type vegan fried rice recipe, right? So your blog is about vegan fried rice recipe, right? I am your targeted audiences for sale, right? So your pin should be in my home feed whenever I search for that keyword, so that I can click on your pin, click on your blog, read and create a recipe. In that way, maybe I can tag you, and that's how you are going to get, warm leads as well. So what this is all about is that if you know how to strategically put that keyword, vegan fried rice recipe, on your pin's title, on your descriptions, then your blog post can land on your targeted audiences, and that's how you are going to grow more. That's how you are going to get more more traffic on your blogs as well. So every year Pinterest is getting better and better, and they've been experimenting with a lot of programs that can help creators to reward for their creations. They are also strictly focusing more on shopping experiences that they can give to their users without a hassle and to make the process frictionless. So on Pinterest, you will have a different shop catalog. If you apply for the verified merchant, then you can have a shop catalog on your profile where you can put your products there, and from there people are not just physical products, but also you can put out the digital products over there, and people can find you and shop from there without a hassle. I'm not just saying facts about this, but there are also good, amazing big brands over Pinterest having their shop catalogs like Nike, Zara, MAC Cosmetics, Fenty Beauty. So they are all leveraging Pinterest platform because they know that their targeted audiences might be on Pinterest as well. Like I said, your products doesn't have to be a physical product, but you can also sell social media templates, website themes, or you can come up with different digital products as well. Now let's move on to number 2 fact. Pinterest has 433 plus monthly active users. So if you think like, Pinterest is just any social media platforms, it doesn't have that much of traffic or that much of targeted audiences, that might be wrong. Pinterest still has 433 monthly active users. That is very huge. So number 3 fact, 70 to 80% of Pinterest users are women. So what does that mean? If your brand targeted audiences are female, you must be on Pinterest. For instance, maybe it can be fashion, beauty. So maybe your targeted audiences are moms, then you can target more on gardening as well. You can focus on kids activities as well. You can focus on DIY projects. There are so many ideas that you can focus on, and if you have a targeted audiences who are basically female, then you must be on Pinterest. But if you are still unsure, like maybe I'm not sure, I'm still confused, I'm still doubting on Pinterest, then you can research on your competitors. You can also go on Pinterest and find similar products, search for the similar keywords that is related to your product services, and if you find good products there, if you find good amount of engagements over there, that will clear your ideas on like if you should be on Pinterest or not. So do your research on your own before jumping into a new social media platform. So number 4 facts, video views on Pinterest has grew 6 times faster from 2018 till now. And there's no catch on this one because as you already know, every social media platform is prioritizing video contents. It's true as well, like humans' attention span is decreasing. At the same time, we find videos more engaging, converting, valuable as well. So I have also experienced similar thing on Pinterest for my client's account. Not just any other video contents, but especially short form video contents perform best on Pinterest. So we have got 5x more growth in terms of traffic, impressions, engagement on our client's account rather than posting any static or designful pins. So if you are in doubt, like should I create video content, then start doubling up your short form video contents on Pinterest. Repurpose your TikToks or Reels and post it here on Pinterest, and you will see the growth doubling up. And do let me know. So number 5 facts, 89% of Pinterest users come here to shop. So as we guys all know, like enormous of people come here to search for many things, and they will have a tons of list for a really long time. They might want to buy it on Christmas, they might want to buy it on Halloween. So people come here to shop for themselves, shop for their home, for their kids. They are constantly buying. And we have no idea, like, how many people buy it from Pinterest. We just think of like just any other social media platform. So maybe I shouldn't prioritize this on my business. And they are not just here to shop for the physical products, but I have seen a lot of photographers who are leveraging this platform as a portfolio for their services. And when people search for, wedding photographers or maybe wedding photography ideas and inspirations, they might land up on a real photographers. And if they like their services, then they will definitely book a call. Likewise with the boutique, likewise for the marketers, they might land up on your services and they might buy your course. Number 6 facts: the content duration on the search bar is longer than other social media platforms. So what does that mean? So if you post a Pinterest pins and if it is good contents, valuable contents, then it's gonna stay on the search bar, the front feed, for the longer than 6 months. So I have experienced on my client's account. So it used to be singing bowls and singing bowl benefits. So these 2 keywords were ranking on search, and we created a pin design for that blog. I think it's still ranking. So we posted 6 or 7 months ago, and when we search for that keyword, we can still see those pins are still ranking, which means like behind that the analytics are really up. Those pins are performing really good. They are getting a lot of traction. They are getting a lot of traffic to their blogs. Whereas as compared to Facebook, it's 48 hours, Instagram it's 6 hours, and TikTok 90 days. So as you can see the difference, how long Pinterest pins are going to rank it on search bar, on home feed. That way your targeted audiences will land up on your pins, and that's gonna help you to get you more traffics and grow faster. And when I first started my Pinterest account, I also have right now a CD painting pin which got really viral. And if I have to say, like, that one pin is still getting traction and your traffic will be exponential. So number 7 facts: on Pinterest there's 3x more likely to get clicks on your website as compared to other social media platforms. So I'm gonna give you an example of one of my clients. He is a food blogger basically, and he has tons of food recipes on his blog. So what we do is he also create amazing short form video contents about his recipes. We repurpose his amazing video contents on Pinterest, and we also design the pin and we post it on Pinterest. After 4 months, the Pinterest is the number 2 traffic source on his website, and we started the Pinterest account from scratch. Now let me give you an example. For instance, you are a recipe developer and you have tons of recipes, maybe in a PDF format on your blogs, right? So you can post a video, you can create a short form video contents where you show how to cook that food, and you can post it on Pinterest. You can pin it over there, and if people like it, if your content is really amazing, then they are going to click on that video, maybe click on that pin and go to your website, and they gonna find your recipe, download it. You can also collect leads from there. So there are tremendous amount of opportunities how you can leverage this platform. So number 8 fact is Pinterest users are searching for on-branded content. So what does that mean? So for instance, on the winter, I'm going to celebrate my Christmas on New York. So I'm gonna maybe search for Christmas outfit ideas on New York, Christmas photoshoot ideas on New York, or maybe budget friendly on New York, So if I go and search on Pinterest, and if your pins are going to come in front of me, then I'm going to like that. Maybe I'm going to engage with that. Now let me give you another example. So instead of searching for Fenty Beauty or maybe L'Oreal Paris, I'm gonna search the best foundations for dry skin. So that's the specific keyword, right? Best waterproof mascara for the summer, right? So those are the on-branded contents I'm going to consume rather than the branded. So with that note, what I'm trying to explain here is that no matter how new brand you are, no matter how you are new with your contents, if your content is amazing, then you are going to rank, you are going to get traffics, you are going to get engagements and followers and sales as well. So yeah guys, these are all the super exciting Pinterest facts that make them quite unique from other social media platforms. So do let me know which one fact was quite interesting for you and that you didn't know before. I'd love to hear that, and see you guys in my next video.